Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you how you can create a API using call template mediator. Let's start how we can do that one. So here let's create one API here. Click new API, REST API. So as usual like how we are doing creating XML file, right? So I'm adding here call template. So here we need to give one context. So call temp. Also you can give any name, so it doesn't matter like you want to give this name or different. So version time, let me change to context. Give one version name. Click finish here. So this is like one as usual like creating one REST API XML file, and this is the default view. Now this is the mediator we need to use. Drag and drop here. So if you save this file, go to right click and show property view. So it is asking us to available templates option and some parameter if you want to add here. So if you drop down, there is no template is currently available. So let's start to create one template. So if you let me close this one. If you little bit scroll down, if you see here under API folder, sorry, not under, outside of the API folder, there is one more folder is there, templates folder. So here we need to create one template. So simply new, then template option here. So here we need to create a new template. Click next. So just give one template name. So I'm adding here call temp API. So you can give any name, it doesn't matter you want to give this one or not. Let me give only call temp. So template type, let's select here sequence template, because we need to call this sequence template to our actual API. Finish this one. So if you save this file, if you go to our actual template, now if you right click and go through show property view, if you drop down this one, now you can see, right, it is showing on template name call temp. Select that one. Let me close this property and save this file. So this call template, if you go through source view, so now you can see, right, so our template name is call temp. So here as we already explore multiple API, like how we can use that one. So here let me use one payload factory here. Let me drag and drop here. So this payload factory, let me go through show property view. Media type, let me change to JSON. So here I'm adding one thing like let me use address. You can give any example, just example it's coming to my mind, I just added here. So $1 will take it from arguments. So those who are watching this video newly, like kindly a humble suggestion, go through my channel Show Beyond Doubt. So it have like already upload 21 part videos. If you scroll down, starting from here, from the installation process to create a API, I already upload multiple parts of API, like kindly go through that one. You will get some idea like how to do that one. So here I am changing that one to expression. So address, so we'll do what? So this address value, while you are passing as a request body, right, that will take it from the value. So let me change this one to JSON. So this expression, let me change to JSON. So first we need to do what? Let me add your $dot message dot. So we need to call what? We need to call this address, right? So so the spelling must be matched with our expression. Okay, so dollar, within the message we will pass one address value. So from address we will paste the value. Click OK and finish this one. Now our payload mediator is ready. So let's close this thing. So after that we need to print some log, right? So let me drag and drop one logger mediator inside the template. So must just remember, within this box only you just need to drag and drop. Now go through log, right click and show property view. So here just modify this one to full. So we just need to see the full log. Save this file. Now go through our call template API. So go through source view. Now you can see here this call template, we are calling our template. So whatever template we created here, right, that template we are calling here. So we'll upload like next video, like how we can pass a property value. Like we have one more option here, right? So if you go through, right click and go through show property view. So here one parameter arguments is there, that we will explore in next video. Now I'm adding a response mediator. So this response mediator will respond to our API. So as you already see, we are using this payload mediator. If you go through source view, so we are passing an address as a payload, right? So we need to change the method. So right click and go through show property view. So here we need to uncheck this get, select this post method, close this file and save the actual API file. Now our API is ready. What we need to do, usual process, we need to go through POM XML file, expand this one. Now scroll down, this file we need to build one car file, then save the file, go to our car exporter, then this option as usual like we are doing, right, export composite application, select that one. So here we need to use call template, okay, call template API. So let me click next. So here we need to select this call template. This is our call template API. Select. Let's finish this one. Now our API is ready. Click OK. Let's go through our Carbon portal. So this is a Carbon portal, like already those who are watching my video regularly, they have idea like how to access and what are the portal option we are using. Go to this Carbon application and choose the file. So just now we created one file here, right? So call template API. So open this one. Let me upload this file. So it will take some second like to reflect this Carbon application list. Just wait for few seconds. Let's refresh this one. So now you can see it's visible call template API. If you scroll down, go through API list. So this API list, if you scroll down, you can see this is the API just now we created. And if you want to see the template, just scroll off. Here you can see one option is there, right? Templates. So this template option, you can see our template call temp. So this call temp is the current temp which we build now, and this is the API like currently we want to use for testing activity. So let me go through this API. This one. Let's copy this URL. Let me open Postman. So here let's change this one to post method. Let me paste this URL. Let me go through body, raw data. Here we need to modify JSON. So let me add here one test data. So now first we need to add message. So inside message one more JSON. Let me beautify, okay, so it will be better. So inside message we need to add address. So inside address I am adding here Kendrapada. You can give any name. So it's one example. Me beautify. If I send request, so above okay, that's fine, just remove this URL. If I send request again, so now you can see I'm able to get my address as a response. So and if you go through log, let me enter here. So we are getting the response here as well. So Kendrapada. So this is one example like how we can call the call template mediator like by using this approach. So hope like those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through my channel. Like if you think this channel is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. So it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.